Hi! In front of me is Acer B3-A40 Iconia 110, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down. Now you need to choose Languages and Input, CRMS click, Virtual Keyboard and your currently used one, in my case Google. Now tap on Theme and click on my image over here, then choose Allow and tap on the photo that you want to set up as your keyboard's background. Then pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, click Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right and tap Done. Lastly, click on the switcher next to keyboarders to turn them on or off, and now when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!